Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're gonna teach you how to print linen Easter basket. Briefly introduce this stuff that we're gonna use in our process. So first one is our printing machine A03 equipped with our lower platinum. It's 10 inches long and 8 inches wide. Printing paper, Teflon sheet, glove, basket, high heat resistant tape. Then we're gonna make a pressure test. Put our basket into our lower platinum. Okay. In this process, it doesn't need too much strength. Close it. And right now, I feel a little bit difficult when I close the machine, so I'm gonna relieve some pressures by this screw. We suggest you medium pressure. This time is much better. And then, besides, remember, all our linen products need to make a preheating under 250 Celsius degrees, lasting for 5 seconds, only 5 seconds. Now turn on the machine. Pay attention to this screen. Set the temperature to 250 Celsius degrees, and you can press these two buttons to adjust the temperature. 5 seconds. 5 seconds is the best. Okay. Right now, all we need to do is wait the machine heats up to 250 Celsius degrees. Guys, the temperature has heated up to 250 Celsius degrees. And we can put our basket into lower platinum. And fully cover with Teflon sheet. Close it. Only lasting for 5 seconds. When time is up, immediately open it. Right now, I'm gonna change manual to automatic by this handle. And remember to reset the time to 45 seconds when the preheating is over. Okay. Just need to put our printing paper above the basket with some high heat resistant tapes. And cover with our Teflon sheet. Let's get started. Guys, time is up. Before we touch it, must wear our glove for protecting ourselves. Okay, let's check out the final result. See? What a beautiful image.